Today I have another quick fudge recipe for you. What I'm trying to make is like a pecan pie fudge, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So right now this is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I have it on medium heat until it thins out just like that. Then let's see, I'm going to add a tablespoon of maple extract. Let me be careful with this so I don't spill it. But I'm going to add in a tablespoon of the maple extract, and if it doesn't work out, I think I'm going to go ahead and get the real maple syrup for the next try. I just figured it's really expensive, so I wanted to try this first. So I've got the 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and then the maple extract, and next I have the 20 ounces of white chocolate. And then next I have, let's see, the pecan baking pieces. So it says 2 cups, and since I'm just trying this out and making something up, I'm going to go ahead and dump in the whole thing. And then I'm going to try to stir this in a little bit. I'm going to let it melt down, and I'll be right back. And this is what the mixture looks like after a few minutes of stirring on medium heat. So it's ready to pour into my pan that I had lined already. I got this ready before I had everything on the stove because this comes together really quick. Let me see if I can get this into the pan. It's already thickening up really well. Hopefully my parchment paper doesn't slide away. I usually put oil on the pan underneath the parchment paper so it won't fall off, slide away. But it's up on the fridge and I can't reach the oil, so didn't have it today. But this works. So I just gotta scoop everything out. It smells really good. I'm hoping that the extract works. But like I said, I wanted to try the extract first because it was cheaper than a bottle of real maple syrup. But if I have to do it, I will. So then I'm just gonna spread this out a little bit. All right, and it's ready for the freezer. Now the fudge is ready. You can put it in the fridge or the freezer to let it set. If you want it a little faster, you can put it in the freezer. I left mine in the freezer about a little less than an hour, and I think it's ready. So I'm going to try to cut it because I'm ready for a bite. So here we go. My big old knife. Oh yeah. And it still smells so good in here. So I do smell that maple. All right. I'm going to take this little piece. Thicken. Oh, there we go. That is better than I thought it was going to be. Even the dog wants some over here. You can't have any of this, baby. But I can. I think I'm going to take this. See you later.